Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to explain you question number 6 of financial statement. From the following trial balance prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2018 and the balance sheet as on that date. Additional information: depreciate plant and machinery at 10% per annum. Increase provision for doubtful debts to be 5% on sundry debtors. Rent accrued is 40,000. Rates 80 rupees are paid in advance. Stock in hand at on 31st March 2018 is rupees 1,700 and apprentice premium received in advance rupees 20. First, friends, capital 5,378. Drawings: add net profit less drawings rupees 710. The first item of trading account: opening stock 1460. Next item: purchase rupees 8,000 less purchase return rupees 291. 8,000 minus 291, 8,000 minus 291 equal to 7,709. By sales, first item of credit side of trading account: sales rupees 11,906. 11,906 less sales return rupees 210. 11,906 minus 210 are equal to 11,696. Closing stock as per adjustment. 1700 are also presented in the asset side of balance sheet. 1,700. Next item, it is your trading account and it is your profit and loss account. First, next, wages as per your trial balance 2,362 to 2,362. Plant and machinery 950. Plant and machinery 950 less depreciation at the rate of 10% equal to 95. 950 minus 95 are equal to 855. Depreciation also debited in profit and loss account. हम लोग लिखेंगे depreciation on plant and machinery rupees 95. General expense 440 also debited in profit and loss account. General expense rupees 440. Rent as per trial balance 120 and additional information: rent accrued is rupees 40. 2. Rent rupees 120 add outstanding rent rupees 40. 160 outstanding rent are also appeared in the liability side of balance sheet. Rates rupees 200. 2. rates rupees 200 and rates of rupees 80 are paid in advance less prepaid rates rupees 80 120 prepaid rates rupees 80 are also presented in the asset side of balance sheet. Apprentice premium rupees 80 by apprentice premium rupees 80 additional information apprentice premium received in advance less received in advance rupees 20. Next, apprentice premium received in advance rupees 20. Bank overdraft rupees 240. Bank overdraft rupees 240. Bad debts 172. Bad debts 172. Debtors as per your trial balance 4,200. Debtors 4,200 less. Provision for doubtful debts at the rate of 5%. 5% of 4,200 are equal to 210. 4,200 5% are equal to 210. 4,200 minus 210 are equal to 3,990. Add new provision. Provision for doubtful debts as per adjustment 210. 172 plus 210 are equal to 382. And provision for doubtful debts as per trial balance are either provision for doubtful debts as per trial balance 105 are either credited in profit and loss account or deducted in debit side of trading profit and loss account. Next item, creditor as per your trial balance 2,000. Cash in hand 1,100. Cash in hand 1,176. Provision. Next, depreciation, plant increase, provision, rent, outstanding, apprentice premium. Total of credit side 11,696 plus 1,700 are equal to 13,396. 13,396 minus 1,460 minus 7,709 minus 2,362 are equal to balancing figure gross profit carried down 1,865. 1,865 are transferred to profit and loss account. Gross profit brought down from trading account 1,865 plus 60 plus 105 are equal to 2,030. 2,030 minus 95 minus 440 minus 160 minus 120 minus 382 are equal to 833. 833. Approved rent. Hold करना. sorry friends, accrued rent wrongly debited in profit and loss account by accrued rent rupees 40, 2000, 1865 plus 40 plus 60 plus 105 are equal to 2070. 2070 minus 95 minus 440 minus 120 minus 120 minus 382 equal to 913. 913. Net profit 913 added with capital 913 plus 5378 are equal to 6291 minus 710 your drawing equal to 5581 plus 2000 plus 240 plus 40 plus 20 are equal to 7881. 7000 outstanding rent, accrued rent हमारा ये accrued rent rupees 40 are equal to 7841. 7841. 7841. Thank you friends.